Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing great. In this video I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi problem in OnePlus N6. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.